Okay. So now what about for Ben? Ben, can you tell teacher Lian how are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.
Okay, and Jasmine, how about you, Jasmine?
I'm very well. Thank you,
Oh,
teacher.
thank you, Jasmine. What about for Lion now? Lion, how are you today, Lion? Lion, coming. Please open your camera so that teacher Lian can see you very well. So how are you today, Lion? Calming. Hmm. Okay, so I think Lion is not here. What about for Hai Feng Nguyen? Kid, how are you today, kid?
I'm fine.
Oh, wow. Okay. So fine. And the last one is Panda. So Panda, what about you, Panda? How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you. And you?
Wow, thank you so much for asking Teacher Lian. Teacher Lian is also happy to see all of you again. Okay, and now for the last boy is Tiwei. Tiwei, how are you today, Tiwei?
I'm very
Oh, very fine. Okay, so now at this part, we are going to start our class. Okay, so can you see the screen, everybody? Can you see the
yeah.
screen? Yes. Okay,
Yes.
so today is Friday, February 11, 2022. And now teacher is going to ask a question again. Can you see me? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Very good. Yes. What about this one? Can you hear teacher Lian clearly?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yours.
Okay, good job.
Yours.
So now we are going to continue our lesson. What is our lesson all about? Can you please read, everybody?
After school
After
club.
school club.
Yay. So thank you
After
so much.
school club.
After school club. Okay. So now at this part, we are going to play a game. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So now at this part, you can see a picture, right? There are three pictures, picture A, picture B, and picture C. Now you are going to choose the correct letter of the answer. Okay, and at this part, teacher Lian will need how many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 students. Okay. So now at this moment, so everybody, if you want to answer, please put your hands up. Okay. So teacher Sami, can you please choose 7 students?
Yes.
Yes,
Bây giờ
teacher.
cô sẽ chọn ra 7 bạn để chúng mình review lại bài cũ nhá. Bạn nào xung phong nào? Number 1 is
Con.
nhá.
Con.
Oh, everybody, please keep quiet so that teacher Lian can hear teacher Sami. Okay.
Bạn trật tự nào, con trật tự nào. Các con chỉ cần ấn biểu tượng giơ tay là được rồi. Number 1 is Thomas.
Thomas.
Yes. Number 2 is Nina.
Amina.
Number 3 Ben. Number 4 Hayato. Number 5 is Jasmine.
Francine. Okay.
Number 6 is Panda. And the last is Chí Huy.
So thank you, teacher Sami. So now the
Yeah.
first one who will answer is Thomas, followed by Mina. Next is Ben, Hayato, Jasmine, Panda, and Tiwei. Okay. So now for the first one, Thomas, what letter is this? What letter is the answer?
Is letter B.
Oh, letter B. And I think your answer is Okay, so this is correct. Okay, this is letter B. Now, can you please read work?
Walk slowly.
Yes, work is slowly, just like this. Oh. Okay, now what about this one? This is for Mina. Mina, this is letter.
This is letter I.
Oh, letter A. Very good. Can you please read?
Walk quickly.
Yes, good job. Work quickly. Okay. Now for the next one, we have Ben. Ben, this is letter.
Is letter B. Talk to your friend.
Very good. Okay, that's good. Now we are going to have the matching type. Okay. So number one is for Hayato. Hayato, what letter is the answer in number one?
Number 1 is clean the room.
Letter.
C.
Very good. It is letter C. And now for number two, Jasmine.
Number 2 is letter A. Answer the phone.
Very good. Okay. Now number three is Panda. Very good, Lily. That's correct. Okay. So now
Number 3
Panda.
is when to practice.
There. Oh, one more time. Practice. This.
Practice.
Very good. One more time. When to practice.
When to practice.
Very good. And the last one is for Tiwei. Tiwei.
B. Late for school.
Okay, late for school. So thank you so much. So now at this part, teacher is going to give 2 points for these students. We have Thomas, Mina, Ben, Hayato, Jasmine, Panda, and Tiwei. Okay, good job. Let's, okay, one. And wait for teacher. Okay. Hmm. One and two. Okay, so now we are going to have this. Okay, so give me all the vocabulary words that we have learned last Wednesday. Okay, give me all the vocabulary words that we have learned last Wednesday. Okay, so teacher Lian will give also 2 points for that. Okay, so who would like to try?
ơi, chị này có nghĩa là gì?
Okay, so raise your hand or put your hands up. Okay, and I can see. So I am going to choose. For the boy, we have Harvey. And for the girl, we have Lily. Okay, so Harvey first. Harvey? Yes. Okay. Okay.
Enter the phone. Late for school.
Good job. Now, Lily, what about you, Lily?
Yesterday.
Oh, yesterday. Have we learned yesterday? So we have work. Go, Lily. Work.
Math.
Again, Lily.
Math.
Oh, this one. Do you remember? What are these? These are the vocabulary words that we have learned, right? Okay, can you tell them all? The first one is? Lily?
Cô Hòa đọc những cái từ, tất cả những cái từ mà hôm qua đã học, hôm thứ tư đã học.
Cuối tuần đúng không?
Okay, so Lily, Teacher Sami, can you please help me explain?
Yes. Lily, buổi trước chúng mình học bao nhiêu từ mới nhỉ? Con còn nhớ không? Con hãy đọc cho cô Liên biết nào. Hôm thứ tư.
Vâng ạ. Con lấy vở. Đây rồi.
Nào nhanh lên nào. Đi
Dạ.
trước.
Walk quickly. Walk
Yes.
slowly. Talk to your friend. Clean the room. Went to practice. Answer the phone. Late for school.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Okay, so now wait for Teacher Lian, okay? Because Teacher Lian is going to give Lily and Harvey their points. 1, and then, okay, wait for teacher. 2. Okay, now I want to ask Kid, okay? So Kid, can you please give Teacher Lian, okay, only 3 vocabulary words, okay? Give me 3 vocabulary words that we have learned. 1, 2, and 3. We have.
Cô đọc 3 từ đúng không ạ?
Đúng rồi. 3 từ buổi hôm trước chúng mình học.
Teacher is late for school. Clean the room. Answer the phone.
Yes. Okay. Late for school, clean the room, and answer the phone. Okay. That's correct. So now wait for teacher because you will got your, okay, 2 points also. And now Kid, okay, everybody, we are going to have a quiz. Okay. So don't worry, coming. Okay. You are going to review. Okay. So Lion, are you there, Lion? Okay, so now look at this. My dear student, how are we going to do number 1? We are going to use the word because in a sentence, and I can see Ben's hand. Ben?
The girl cried because her toy is broken.
Very good. Okay, now number 2, Harvey. I can see Harvey's hand.
He's not going because I forgot to invite him.
Good job. And now Tiwei, number 3.
I went home early. I was tired.
Oh, so where are we going to put the word because? I went home early. Okay, I was tired. So one more time. Tiwei. I. Tiwei. One more Tiwei. Oh, look at this. Okay, there are 2 phrases here. 1 and 2, right? So number 1 says he is not going. Now number 2 says I forgot to invite him. Now we are going to put the word because. He isn't going because I forgot to invite him. Now what about this one, Tiwei? Can you do it again? I.
Không hiểu.
Huy, con có hiểu không nhỉ? Buổi trước chúng mình học liên từ because. Bây giờ chúng mình sẽ dùng liên từ because để nối hai mệnh đề lại. Con chú Huy, con bật mic lên nào.
Go Tiwei. Okay, so no. Now what about for Jasmine? Because Jasmine is raising hand.
I went home early because I was tired.
Yes, very good. I went home early because I was tired. Okay. Now, Tiwei, what about you? Can you do it again? Number 4, Tiwei. We stayed.
We stay at home because it is raining.
Yes, very good, Tiwei. Okay. And now the last one, I can see Panda's hand earlier. So, Panda. Oh, Lily, please do that right. Okay. So, Panda, what is your answer? We
At home because it is raining.
Oh, what about number 5? I
I am hungry because I did eat lunch.
Good job. Okay. Now everybody follow after teacher. Say the word hungry. Hungry.
Hungry.
Yes. Hungry. Okay. I am hungry. Okay. So it means we want to eat. Okay. Okay. So now this part, Teacher Leon would like to give those 5 students their points. Then, okay, Harvey, Jasmine, Tiwei, and Panda. Okay, very good. Now, at this part, my dear student, okay, so Teacher Lian is going to give 3 points. So the word because, okay, the word because. What is it? Is it A? Is it a verb? Okay, B, is it a condition? Okay, C, is it preposition? Or D, is it conjunction? What letter? Okay, what letter is that? No, everybody. Oh, okay, so everybody is speak for 3 points. What is that? Okay,
Teacher, me. It's
no. Okay, yes, it is very good. So one more time. Say the word conjunction. Yes,
Conjunction.
conjunction. Good job. So you remember, right? When we say conjunction, it means we connect the words together. Okay. So here is your 3 points, everyone. Wait for Teacher Lian. Okay. So now at this part, since we are done with that, we are done reviewing the lesson last Wednesday, we are going to learn new vocabulary. Yes, one more time. Vocabulary. Can you say that?
Vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
Very good. Okay. Now, everybody prepare a paper and a pen, okay? So that you can list all the important notes that we are going to learn today. So again, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. No,
I'm
ready. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so Lily, no? Oh no,
Yeah.
oh no. Okay, so, okay. Now look at the picture, everybody. Look at the picture.
Fruit.
Fruits?
Fruit.
Oh, I can see egg. I can see carrots.
Egg is not food. Watermelon.
Yes. Okay, so what do we call them? What do we call them? Can you tell, teacher? What do you think is that?
Vegetable.
Huh? Vegetable? Are you sure?
Yes,
Okay.
vegetable.
Oh, vegetable. But
Vegetable.
I can see watermelon. I can see orange apples.
Vegetable.
So these are not
Fruit.
vegetables.
Fruit. Fruit. Fruit.
Very good. One more time. Say the word food.
Food.
Food. Mhm. That is food. Okay. When we say food, it is something that we eat.
Food.
Okay. It is something we eat.
One.
Okay. Now, what about here? Oh, what are these? What do we call this? Hmm.
ring.
Yes,
Ring.
very
Ring.
good. That
Ring.
is the ring. Okay.
Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite.
Okay. So who likes to drink Coca-Cola? Who likes to drink Coca-Cola? Okay, only Ben, Harvey. Okay. Now, what about this? Okay. If we have food, we also have, say the word dish.
This.
Dish. Dish. Okay. So when we say dish, it is main, okay, main
Teacher,
course.
neck. Teacher, neck.
Neck? What is neck? Neck?
Neck.
Oh, one more time. Next. Just like this.
Next.
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 Okay.
Next.
Yes, that is next. Okay. Now, we do not have another one because we are going to play a game. And I need 3 students who would like to try. Okay.
Teacher.
Oh, okay. So it is so hard to choose. So teacher Sami, can you please help me choose 3 students again, teacher?
Yes. Cô sẽ gọi 3 bạn nha.
Con.
Chí Huy
Ôi,
and Lily.
Nhà mình.
Oh,
Student thôi.
oh, everybody, please keep quiet because teacher Lian can't hear teacher Sami. Teacher,
Các
number
con
1
trật tự nào.
is
Number 1 is Hải Phong.
Number 2 is
Yeah.
Chí Huy.
Number 2 is Chí Huy.
TV.
And the last is Lily.
Lily. Yes, thank you, teacher Sami. Okay, so now look at this. Can you tell teacher Lian kid, what is this? So it,
Hải
you are
Phong, con bật
going,
mic nào.
yes. Can you guess?
Hải Phong. Turn on the microphone. Hải Phong.
Good.
It's food.
Food.
Everybody? No. Okay, so now Lily answered food and it is correct. Now what about for Tiwei? Tiwei,
Drink.
what?
Drink.
Yes,
Drink.
drink. And then
Drink.
kid, one more time, kid. Can you tell teacher Leon what is this? Kid, haifong nguyen? Nguyen haifong?
Dish.
Oh, please do not tell the answer. Okay, so what do you call that? Haifong? Kid? Kid. Teacher Leon can't hear you, kid.
Hải Phong. Con bật mic này nào. Con bật mic lên trả lời cô Liên nào.
Dish.
Hello.
Kid, open. Okay, open your microphone. If you do not open your microphone, I will tell your mommy and daddy. So one more time. Kid, what do you call this?
Thích ăn đi nghe chị.
No? Okay, so I think no. Now, I'm so sorry, my dear student. Okay, there is a sudden power interruption. Now, who would like to try? Okay, who would like to try? So before that, I would like to give Tiwei and Lily their points. Now, Hayato. Hayato, do you know what is this?
Dish.
Oh, yes, very good. One more time, Hayato. Say the word again. Dish. Mm-mm. Hayato. Hayato, what do you call these foods? These are... Oh.
Food.
Oh, are you sure? Is that a food? Teacher Lian thinks these are food, right? Now, this is drink. And then the last vocabulary word that we have learned is... What's this? It starts with letter D.
Dish. Dish.
Yes, one more time. Say the word dish. Shh.
Dish.
Yes, very good. One more time. What do you call this again? Dish.
Dish.
Okay, good job. Very good. Okay, so now Hayato will receive another point. Okay, so one more time, everybody follow after teacher. Say the word food.
Food.
This is drink.
Drink. Drink.
Now, these are,
Dish.
yes, dish. Very nice. Okay, so now we have another one. So look, this is,
Beef.
yes, beef. Okay, now can you tell teacher Lian, beef are from, beef are from,
USA. From
Dish.
cow.
oh yes, okay. So one more time, can you say, okay, it's from, it's from cows.
It's from cows.
Yes.
Tập từ con bò chứ.
Okay.
No.
No.
Meat bò thì gọi thì là gì?
It's
Con
a
bò chứ
pig.
còn là
Oh, a pig. But teacher Lian think it. Oh no, 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 no. So it comes from cow. Okay. Now what about this one? So look, it is from pig. What do we call this? Pig. Yes, very good. Say the word again. Pork. Pork. Yes. Okay. So now, stop. Okay. Yes. And now look at this. Okay.
Noodle.
Very good. Noodles. Okay.
No.
Noodles. You're going to say noodle. Okay, noodle if only one. But if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we are going to add S. Noodles. Okay. Now let's play a game. Okay. So Lily, please stop writing first. Okay, and teacher Lian need 3 students who will try to answer again. Okay, 3 students. So the first student is Thomas.
Teacher.
Okay.
Me.
Oh, okay, so it's me.
Me.
Okay, so everybody stop. Everyone. Okay, the next one is Mina. Okay, and the third one is Kid. So Kid, please participate. Kid, you need to answer. Okay. So let's start with this. This is for Thomas. Thomas, what is this?
Beef.
Very good. What about for Mina?
Noodle.
Is it noodles?
Yes, noodles. Okay. And then Kid, what do you think is this? Typhoon, Kid?
Hell.
Huh? Okay. Kid?
Kid is rude.
Kid?
It is pig.
không có trong lớp.
Is that a pig? Okay. So now I think animal. This animal is a pig. Okay. So what comes from a pig?
Fat. Pig is fat. The pig is fat.
Yes. What comes from a pig? What do we call this food? It's okay. So one more time, Kid. That is
It's pig.
okay. No, students. Say the word. Kid, say the word pork. Pork. Ay, Feng Nguyen. One more time. Can you say that? Pork. Okay. So now at this part is still teacher Lian wants to give Kid, Thomas, and Mina their points. Okay. So now look at this. Okay. So what do you see in the picture? What's
Bread.
this?
Bread.
Very good. It's bread, right?
Bread.
Okay.
Bread.
Now, what about this?
Rice. Rice.
Wow. Good
Yum.
job. Okay, rice. And then what are these?
Fruit. Fruit.
Vegetable.
Okay.
Okay,
Vegetable.
yes. These are
Vegetal.
vegetables, okay?
Vegetal.
Now, lemon, okay,
Vegetal.
and banana are not vegetables, okay? And also apple, they are fruits, okay? So now at this part,
Vegetable.
I am going to choose 3 students again. I can see Jasmine, Ben, and Harvey. So, okay. Oh, students, please keep quiet. Oh, okay. We are not going to continue if you are not going to stop. Everybody keep quiet. Okay. So now the first one is Jasmine. Okay. The second one is Ben. The third one is Harvey. Okay. So now, Jasmine, can you tell teacher Lian what is this?
Rice.
Very good, rice. And now what about for Ben?
Bread.
It is bread.
Good job. And then Harvey?
It's vegetable.
Okay, good job. So now teacher Lian would like to give Ben, Harvey, and Jasmine their point. And not just them, but everyone will receive an extra point because all of you are participating the class. Good, thank you so much. Okay, now what about here? Okay, so we are almost done with our lesson, right? Okay, so look, this one is a crunchy one, okay?
Chocolate.
Hmm, chocolate,
Cookies.
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 Hmm.
Cookies.
Okay, think of
Okay.
another answer that is not cookies.
Biscuit.
Okay.
Okay, one more time. Biscuit.
Biscuit. Bánh biscuit.
Yes, biscuits, right? Okay. Now, what about this? This is
Fish.
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 That is fish. And then look, what about this?
Orange juice.
Yes,
juice.
orange juice. Okay,
Orange.
so I need 3
Teacher.
students again. Okay. So I can see. Okay, so everybody.
Bạn nào không nghĩ được là cô sẽ trừ sao nhá.
Ở cái này không có chế độ trừ sao cơ ạ.
Có. Cho tự rồi chưa?
So if you want to answer, you can just raise your hand, okay? No need to shout, everybody, okay? So the first one who will answer is Mina, okay? So Mina, and then the second one is for Hayato. Okay, and the third one is for, okay, wait for teacher Lian, and I can see T-Wei's hand. Okay, so T-Way. So now, Mina, can you tell teacher Lian, what is this?
This is orange juice.
Very good, orange juice. Now, what about for Hayato? Hayato, what do you call this?
This is a fish.
Yes, good job, a fish. And then, what about this one, T-Way?
Biscuit.
One more time, biscuits.
Biscuit.
Yes, very good. Now, T-Way, okay, Mina and Hayato will receive their points. Okay, good job. Now, what about this? This is, say the word, water.
Other.
One more time, water.
Water.
Now, say the word, milk.
Milk.
Yes, milk. And then, this is
Lemonade.
lemonade. Very good. Now, okay, I am going to choose 3 students who will answer, okay? Now, the first one is for Panda. The second one is for Lily. The third one is for Thomas, okay? So let's start with this, okay? So can you tell me, Panda, what is this again?
Is milk.
Very good. It is a milk. Now, Lily, what about this?
Water.
Yes, very good. And then the last one is for Thomas. Thomas,
It's
this is
lemonade.
good
Lemonade.
job, lemonade. Okay. So wait for teacher. Okay, and now at this moment, we are going to practice. Okay, we are going to practice. So kid, can you give me students? Okay. So you can turn off your microphone if you are not going to answer or to speak. Okay, so that teacher Lian can hear the one who is going to answer. So kid, can you give teacher Lian 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 vocabulary words that we have learned today? Okay.
Is beef, rice, bread, noodles, fish.
Okay, noodles, fish. What's next? Beef, rice, noodles, fish, and
Orange juice.
okay, that's great. Now, kid will receive 2 points. One.
And water.
Okay, and water. And 2. Congratulations. Now, we are going to play a game. Okay. Is that clear? We are going to play a game. So now
Yes.
this is team A. Okay. And this one is team B. Okay, is that clear? So team A is going to give food and then team B is going to give drinks. Okay? Okay. So now at this part we have here, so we are going to use this, the lucky draw.
Mình sẽ cho đủ mọi tiếng động vào lớp.
This is team A and this is team B. Okay? So now team A. Ben, can you give me a food?
Bên là viên kẹo.
1, 2.
Beef.
Okay, good job. 3. Okay. Now, what about for team B? Lily, can you give me a drink? 1, 2. Whoop. 3. Oh no. Okay. So now what about
not here.
yes. Okay. So what about, also that one is just a trial. Okay. So this is Tiwei, can you give me a food? 1, 2.
Noodle.
Okay, good job. Now, Hayato, give me a drink. 1, 2.
Lemonade.
Very good. Okay, oh, Lion is not here. So what about this one? Harvey, give me a food. 1. Okay, good job. Now, what about for Thomas? Give me a drink. 1, 2, 3.
Milk. Milk.
Okay, milk. Now, what about this? Jasmine, give me a food. 1, 2. Okay, good job. Okay, so now, kid, give me a food, kid. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now the last one, okay? Panda, give me a food, Panda.
Is rice.
2. Very good. Okay, and now the last one, Mina, give me a drink. 1.
Lemonade.
Okay, lemonade. Good job. So now at this part, teacher Lian would like to give, wait for teacher. Okay, so who is team A again? We have Ben, we have Harvey, Jasmine. Oh, who are team A?
Me.
Okay, Panda. Who else?
Me.
Oh, and Tiwei. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So teacher Lian will give 2 points. 1. Okay, and then, so one more time, who are they? Panda, Ben, Harvey, Jasmine, and Tiwei. Okay, 2. And then who are team B? Tell teacher. Lily, Mina, Kid, Hayato and
Lily.
Thomas. Okay.
Lily is no answer.
Still, they are going
Joe.
to give out to get 1 point. Okay. Okay. Oh, so Lily, please stop. Okay, stop writing. Okay. So now at this part, we are going to practice. Okay. We are going to practice what are the vocabulary words that we have learned today. Okay. So can you tell Teacher Lian, oh no, what is happening? Okay. So I am going to ask Harvey. So Harvey, can you tell Teacher Lian, where is pork from?
Is
It's
pig.
It's okay, one more time. It's from pig.
Is from pig.
Yes, that's great. So what about for Mina? Mina, can you tell Teacher Lian, where is milk from? Mina?
This from cow.
Yes, good job. Okay. Now what about for Thomas? Okay. So wait for teacher. What about for Thomas? Thomas, where is eggs from?
Egg from
Chicken.
Yes,
is
it's
A
from
hen.
10 giây.
A hen. A hen. A hen.
A hen.
okay, a hen or a chicken, right? Okay. So wait for teacher Lian. So who answered again? Harvey, Thomas, and Nina. Okay, so wait for teacher. What about this? Who would like to answer? Tiwei? Okay, so Tiwei, where is beef? Okay, beef from?
Is from cow.
Yes, okay, very good, Tiwei. Now, what about for Ben? Ben is raising hand. Ben, can you tell teacher Lian, where is carrots from?
Is from carrot.
It's from carrot. Is it okay? So I am going to give you a choice. Is it plant or trees? Ben, is it from a plant or a
Is
trees?
a plants.
Yes, very good. It's from plants. Okay. Now, who else? Who want to answer? Okay, Panda, can you tell teacher Lian, where are lemon from?
Lemon from trees.
Yes, one more time. It's from trees.
Is from trees.
Yes, good job. Okay. Now, wait for teacher. Can you tell teacher Lian who answered again? We have Panda, Ben, and who's the last one? Oh, it's Kiwi. Okay, so thank you so much. Now, what about here? Okay, so my dear student, we are going to practice and I am going to call one of your classmates, okay, who will spell the word. Is that clear? Okay, so I am going to ask Jasmine. So Jasmine, can you please spell the word? Okay, wait for teacher Lian because this one is very hard. Spell the word conjunction.
J.
J, very good. U. N. Oh, conjun. So this is your answer. Conjunt.
Conjunction. 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 I.
I.
O.
O.
N.
N. Is this correct, Jasmine? Conjunction. Is it conjunction? There is a missing letter. What is the missing letter? Oh, go with Jasmine. Hmm? One more time. Look.
Conjunction.
Mm-mm. So what is the missing letter, Jasmine?
C, 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 C.
Okay, yes, it is letter C. Okay, so the missing letter is letter C. Now, I am going to ask, wait for teacher. Okay, Thomas. Okay, so Thomas, can you please spell the word because? Because.
Nghĩa là gì?
B.
Con hãy đánh vần từ because. Ellie đánh vần từ because.
B B E A C A U.
Again, B, E.
C
Okay,
C
C.
U,
C
S, E.
A U.
What's next?
Đúng rồi ha.
S, E.
S E.
Yes, very good. Now, Lily, spell the word dish. Dish.
D,
D.
I, S, H.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Heart.
Okay, H, right? So wait for teacher because Lily and Thomas will receive their point. Thank you. Okay, and now what about here? So my dear student, we are going to read, okay? We are going to have the fun, what's this? Fun
Fun learning.
Learning.
Fun learning. Okay. Now, at this part, we are going to have the word follow after teacher. Say rhyme. Rhyme.
Rhyme.
Mm.
Rhyme.
One more time. Ra. Rhyme.
Rhyme.
Yes, rhyme. Okay. So now, okay. Now, Hayato, can you please spell the word rhyme? We have.
Air.
Oh.
Air.
One more time.
Arch.
R. R.
Yes. Sắp đừng thôi, sắp đừng thôi, sắp
Oh.
đi rồi.
Okay. R.
H.
H.
U.
U. Okay, so now everybody, only Hayato is allowed to speak, okay? Do not speak when teacher Lian do not call your name. So Hayato, one more time. Hayato, R-H.
Y.
Y. Rhyme.
No. T.
T. Hmm?
H.
So one more time. Hayato, R-H-Y. What's next? Okay, so now I am going to show you again, okay? So this is how we are going to spell rhyme. R-H-Y-M and E, okay? So everybody, when we say rhyme, okay, so it means these are the words, okay, or the words sound alike, okay? They have the same sound because they share the same ending vowel and consonant words, okay? So what are the 5 vowels again? Can you tell teacher? Can you tell teacher Lian? There are only 5 vowels, right? Okay, only 5 vowels. So what are they? We have A, E, I, O, and U. Okay. So when we say vowels, it is only 5. Okay. Now, when we say consonants, okay, these are letter B, C, D, G, F, H, okay, J, just like that. Okay. So again, when we say rhyme, it means they are, or these are the words sounds alike. For example, we have lump and stump. Okay, so these are rhyme. They have the same AMP and AMP. Okay, so do you understand what is rhyme? Everybody? Yes? Okay. Now, teacher Sami, can you please help me explain again, teacher?
Yes. Có con ơi, rhyme có nghĩa là vần nhá.
Giai điệu.
Đúng rồi, vần điệu. Và chúng thì có các từ nghe giống nhau về phần đầu tiên là phần nguyên âm cuối và phụ âm nhá, được chưa? Phần kết thúc của chúng nó sẽ có sự phát âm gần giống nhau ấy, hiểu không? Ví dụ nha, ví dụ như từ man và từ pen, được chưa? Thì hai cái từ đấy có phát âm gần giống nhau, các con hiểu không? Được chưa? Chúng mình hiểu chưa nhỉ?
Rồi ạ.
Có bạn nào chưa hiểu không? Cô sẽ giải thích lại.
Cậu đậu hát với cô ơi.
Được chưa nhỉ? Ok.
Okay. Is it okay?
Chúng mình bật mic lên nào. Chúng mình đã hiểu chưa?
Rồi ạ.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have another example, okay? So examples we have pen and men. Okay, follow after teacher. Say the word pen, men.
Pen, man.
Yes.
Men.
Okay. Pen, men, and we also have the word ben, right?
Batman.
Yes, okay. Because
Batman.
they ends with N, N, and N. Okay, so these are rhymes. Okay, they have the same sounds at the end of the word. Now we have here the word. Everybody say win and bin.
Win, bin.
Win bin.
Yes, win and bin. Okay. Now we also have the word bug
Bag.
Bag.
and
Rag.
rug. Okay, very good. So now you understand the word rhyme. Okay. So again, when we say rhyme, okay, they have the same sound. Okay, the same sound. Okay, at the end of the word. At the end, okay, of the word. Is that clear, everybody? That is a rhyme. So Panda, what are you doing, Panda? Okay. So now we are going to practice, okay? And teacher Lian needs 5 students who will try, okay? 5 students who will try. Okay, now wait for teacher Lian. So wait for teacher. Let's have this. So the first 5 students are, we have, okay. The first one is Jasmine, okay. Oh no, Jasmine. Now the second one is, okay, we do not have Anna, but we have Hayato. And number 3, we have Ben, okay. And number 4, we have Lion. Okay, and the last one we have T-way. Okay, now Jasmine, can you tell teacher Lian what is rhyme with coat? Number one is letter. Oh, wait for teacher Lian. I'm so sorry. Okay, wait for me. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Okay, so wait for teacher. Oh no. Okay, so I am going to share the screen again. Okay, so now one more time, Jasmine, what is rhyme with the word coat?
Coat is letter D. Boat.
Yes, very good. Coat and boat. Good job. Now, what about Hayato? Hayato, number two is letter.
Letter B, three.
Okay, letter. What again?
B.
Yes, good job. So what about for number three? Number three is for Ben.
Number 3 for a door.
Yes, very good. Four and door. And then number four. Oh, we do not have lion, right? So what about for T-way? T-way? Four is nine.
C-Y.
Yes, good job. C, wine. And then the last one is for Harvey. Harvey, 10.
And hen.
Okay, good job. So now wait for teacher. Okay, so we have here. Who answered? Can you tell teacher Lian? Jasmine, Hayato, Ben, Tiwei, and Harvey. Now, what about the next? Who will answer? Okay, so we do not have. So the first one is for Mina. Number one, Mina. Number two is Lily. Number three is Kid. Number four is Thomas. And number five is Panda. Okay, so it is Panda. Now, let's start with this. Mina, number one, love. Love.
Letter D, dog.
Yes, very good. Okay, so now the next one is Lily. Lily, number two.
Number 2 is A. Full.
Very good. That's correct. And then what about number three, Kid? Kid, number three. Nguyen Hai Fong.
Number 3 is B. Number 3 B.
Yes, good job. It is letter B. And then number four, okay? Number four is for Thomas.
Is letter the E.
Okay, good job. That's correct. And the last one is for Panda. Panda, number five.
Number 5 is C. Look.
Okay, good job. So thank you so much for that. Now, my dear students, so you already mastered the rhyme and everyone will receive their points, okay? So all of you are doing great. So now we are done with the rhymes, okay? Now we are going to have the structure. So this is the question that we are going to ask. So okay, and then this is how we are going to answer, okay? The question says, what is your favorite food? Okay, so when we say favorite, it means what food do we like? And then my favorite food is, for example, you're going to say noodles, okay? So now we are going to have pairs, okay? So we are going to do this. So student A is going to ask the question and choose who is going to answer, okay? So let us start with Harvey, okay? So Harvey, please ask the question. What?
What food
Again?
is your favorite?
What is your favorite food? Can you say that?
Is your favorite food?
Okay. Now, can you choose one of your classmates who will answer?
Hayato.
Oh, Hayato. So Hayato, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Oh, chicken. Wow. Now, Hayato, please ask the question.
Nina.
So one more time, Hayato, say the word. What is?
What is your favorite food?
Okay. So Mina, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is noodle.
Noodles. Okay. Now, Mina, ask a question.
What
What?
is your favorite food?
Okay, so choose one of your classmates who will answer you.
Panda.
Oh, panda.
It's Hải Phong, Hải Phong, Hải Phong.
Okay, so panda, what
Hải
is
Phong
your
đi, nhanh
favorite
lên.
food? Panda, say my favorite food. Oh,
My favorite food is fish.
oh, one more time. Say it again. Fish. Fish.
Fish.
Good job. Now, panda, ask the question.
What is your favorite food?
Okay, so pick one of your classmates who will answer. Panda. Panda, pick one. Who would?
Is Suha.
Oh, okay.
Lily.
So Lily, my
My favorite food is spaghetti.
oh is spaghetti. Okay. Now Lily asked the question. What is?
What is your favorite food?
Okay. Now pick one of your classmates who will answer. Tuha, Lily, who will answer your question?
I want to panda.
Oh, so Panda is done. Panda, choose you already. So pick another.
It's Jasmine.
Okay, so Jasmine. Jasmine, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is salad.
Oh, salad. Okay, now Jasmine asked one of your classmates.
What is your favorite food?
So who will answer?
Ben.
Okay, Ben. Oh, I think Ben is finished already, right?
My favorite food is pizza.
Oh, okay. So now, Ben, choose one of your classmates who will answer.
Hayato.
Okay, so Hayato. Hayato, what is your favorite food, Hayato?
My favorite food is chips.
Oh, chips. Okay. So now you understand this structure already. Now we are going to have this, okay? When the question says what's his favorite food, we need to answer his, okay? This is his, okay? When we say his, it means it is a boy, okay? So what is his favorite food? We are going to answer his favorite food is like this, okay? Now, if we say her, what is her favorite food? It means it is a, everybody, it is a girl, okay? Now, in answering, we are going to say her favorite food is, okay? Do you follow? Yes? Okay. So now, what about this one, okay? So, can you tell Teacher Lian, it's, what's this? It's,
Lemonade.
yes, very good. So,
Lemonade.
what about this? What is it?
It's
Bread.
Say one more time. Bread.
bread.
Okay. And then this one?
No.
It's milk.
It's milk.
Yeah.
Milk.
And then this is, it's,
Beef.
It's noodle.
Noodle.
okay, noodles. Good job. Now, what about here? Okay. So the structure says, would you like a fish? Okay. So we are going to answer yes, please, if we like a fish. Okay. Would you, Ben, would you like a fish? If yes, you're going to say yes, please. Okay. And if it is no, we are going to say no thanks. Is that clear? Yes? Okay. So one more time, I am going to ask Mina. Mina, would you like, okay, would you like a fish?
No.
No? Incomplete sentence.
No, I don't.
No. Say the word no thanks. Okay?
No thanks. Không no thanks.
There are only two possible answers. No thanks and yes, please. Okay? Okay. So now at this part, my dear student, we are going to have this practice in our next class. But today, Teacher Lian wants to say congratulations because you mastered the vocabulary, the activity, and the structure very well. Now, are you ready to find out who got the highest point?
Congratulations.
Oh, okay. So who got the highest point today? We have Tiwei. Okay, congratulations, Tiwei. And we got Ben, Jasmine, Harvey. Okay, Panda and Thomas. Okay, but all of you really did a great job. Okay, so now it is time for us to say goodbye already. Everybody, say goodbye to Teacher Lian now.
Goodbye, teacher
Goodbye,
Lian.
teacher.
Thank you.
Goodbye, teacher Lian.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher Lian.